Abu Ishaq says that he was sitting with Abdullah bin Utwa. They were discussing about the age of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Some people said that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu was older than Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Abdullah said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away at the age of 63, and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu passed away at the age of 63, and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu got martyred at the age of 63. One of the people called Amir bin Saad said that Jarir narrated, we were sitting in the company of Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu. The people were talking about the age of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu said Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away at the age of 63, and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu expired at the age of 63, and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu got martyred at the age of 63. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6051.